Remember to cock it. There you go. Okay, don't pull the trigger till you're ready.
It's already caught.
Oh, Jesus.
I
It's so
can't!
big.
I can't! Oh, I can't!
Okay, Mama.
How do you load this? You put it into the barrel?
Yeah.
Alright. Just a second.
Thank you, Bob. You're not even aiming, you're just firing, girl.
She just looks at you and she's like, bah!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is so light. Just like,
There you go. Okay, push it forward and down. Down. Yeah, there you go. Now down.
pulling this back is fire?
Yeah.
It's like
Grandpa, what'd she do wrong? I don't know.
Oh no. Oh no.